Hello, my name is Erin Peck. Today I wanted to make a short video about my brand new logo lifetime deal today. If you are looking for a software to create a logo design, you want to check this out today. So let me just show you how this works. You can just say your company name. I'll say Erin Peck, and you can use the slogan. I'll say website design. I'm gonna say websites. Next, and I'll choose surprise me instead of pick a color. Or if you're a company using specific a color, you can choose to pick a color. I'll just choose the surprise me and create my logos. Within a few seconds, you are going to see all the different designs of your logo or your clients. If you want to check more, you can go ahead and click this make more. As you can see, there are all different colors and all different fonts. I like this one. Looks good to me. If you want to have some kind of idea what kind of logos, what designs you want to create, you can download any of these designs into your computer and deliver them to your clients. You can download your image as PNG file or SVG file. If you want to remove the background color, you can definitely do that with this software. I hope you like this software deal today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel so you can watch the other lifetime deals.